Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best sewing and embroidery machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new video. At number 5 we have Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. 138 built-in designs. The SE1900 comes with 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts, perfect for monogramming. Advanced needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and quilting combo machine includes an advanced needle threading function that easily pushes the thread through the needle with the press of a lever and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. At number 4 we have Genome Horizon Memory Craft 9850 machine. Sewing features: 200 built-in stitches, 6 one-step buttonholes, automatic thread tension, built-in needle threader, memorized needle up/down, one-step needle plate conversion, 7-piece feed dog, free arm, drop feed, LCD full-color touchscreen. Embroidery features: 175 built-in embroidery designs, 2 fonts with European characters, 2 and 3-letter monogramming function, USB design transfer, flexible stitch traveling by units of 1,10 and 100, editing functions. At number 3 we have Singer Legacy SE300 Embroidery Machine. Singer Sewing Machine. The Singer Legacy SE300 portable sewing machine has 250 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. Automatic needle threader sewing machine. After following the threading path printed right on the machine. At number 2 we have Genome MC6650 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Standard included accessories: blind hem foot G, darning foot, open toe satin stitch foot, zigzag foot, buttonhole foot. Free motion quilting holder, overedge foot M, seam ripper, zipper foot E, convertible free motion quilting foot set. At number 1 we have Juki HCL DX7 Sewing Machine. Juki's industrial sewing machine technology. The Juki HCL DX series sewing machine HCL DX7 is a computerized household machine that incorporates Juki's industrial sewing machine technology to produce superior sewing performance and stitch quality. Performs wide range of functions. Feel at ease when sewing the heavyweight fabrics you love. Perfect for handling thick fabric and layers, this machine can turn your project into a reality.